ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Satyachari and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, project investigators Alok Verma, coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kausalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly today. Today we have 6 little stories with lots of meanings. These are one-liner stories, short stories. Is one faith, trust, hope, confidence, love and attitude, which is very interesting to hear. So here I welcome Mr. Manoj Mukharya to present his small stories with deep meaning. It's over to Manoj Mukharya.
Namaskara friends. I am Manoj Mukharya, aged 70. I have worked with Hindustan Zinc Limited in the vicinity of beautiful city Udaipur, Rajasthan, as a mining geologist in the mines of Hindustan Zinc Limited. I have worked there from 1975 to 2009. After my superannuation in 2009, I settled in Bhopal and came to Bangalore to help my son-in-law and daughter to Bangalore. In the year 2017, I have joined the Active Aging Center Bagchi group, Nightingale Medical Center, on the sincere advice of veteran member of this center, Mr. C.V. Sastry. Today, I am very grateful to him who has advised me to join such a nice center. Since then, I am enjoying all the activities like physical, cognitive, including the social life with the nice member of the center. Today, I am with you to narrate 6 very, very short stories with lot of messages in these stories. These stories presented to me long ago by our fellow member Sri Venkatraman. So friends, I am presenting you these stories. Listen carefully. Story 1. Once all villagers decided to pray for rain. All the people gathered, but only one came with umbrella. That is faith. Number 2. When you throw babies in the air, they laugh because they know you will catch them. That is trust. 3. Every night we go to bed without any assurance of being alive the next morning. But we will set the alarm to wake up. that is hope. We plan big things for tomorrow in spite of zero knowledge of the future, and that is confidence. Fifth, we see the world suffering, but still we get married and have children. That is love. Sixth, on an old man's t-shirt was written a sentence: I am not 80 years old. I am sweet 16 with 64 years of experience. And that is attitude. So, friend, have, have a happy day and live your life like these 6 stories and follow the messages hidden in these stories. Remember, good friends are the rare jewels of life, difficult to find and impossible to replace. Again, I thank you. Enjoy these stories and follow the messages. Namaskara.
Thank you for sharing. We love the stories with great meaning. Hope to look for more stories like this. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions and queries and support to elderly.